All right, here we have two more multiple choice questions, and it looks like both of these are going to be integration by parts. So number 8 is not one that you've seen before, and I always like to use the adage, if you don't know anything that you can do, integrate by parts, particularly if you know how to take the derivative of the integrand. Then you can call that your u and differentiate it, and then just call your dv 1 and integrate that. And that's exactly what we've done here. We're taking our u as the ln of x cubed, so I need a chain rule to differentiate that. I take 1 over x cubed to get the derivative of just the ln, and then since my inside function is x cubed, it differentiates to 3x squared. That simplifies. The x squared over x cubed simplifies, so my du is just 3 over x. Now my dv was 1 and it integrates just to x. So I'm going to have u times v, which is x times the ln of x cubed, minus the integral of v du. And x times 3 over x is just 3. So I can integrate 3 to just 3x. And then, of course, don't forget your plus c. The tricky part about this one is trying to figure out how to match it to the correct answer. And it looks like what they've done is brought down the exponent from using properties of logs. So that gives me 3x ln of x minus 3x plus c. Then you're able to factor out the 3x's and you can match it to choice B. For number 9, we know how to integrate secant squared, so we're going to do so. So let's call our u, and our du will be du. dv will be secant squared u, and its integral v is tangent u. So then I'm left with uv, which is u times tangent u, minus the integral of v du, so the integral of tangent u du. Don't forget, when you're integrating tangent, you need to rewrite tangent as sine over cosine. So that's what we've done here. And when you integrate sine over cosine, you're really using u substitution because the derivative of cosine will be a negative sign. So u equals cosine of u. It's awkward that we have the same variables here, so I don't particularly like that, but that's okay. So what we're really doing is integrating 1 over cosine of u, which goes to the natural log of the cosine of u. And this negative negates this negative, which is why this turns into a positive. And our choice is A.